Hi, this is a course introductory video on the quantitative methods. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Professor Pravash Ghosh. I have done B in Chemical Engineering from NIT Durgapur and MBA in Supply Chain Management, and I am pursuing PhD from UPS. I have a total experience of 20 years, out of which I have spent 8 years in industry and 12 years in teaching. So the subjects that I have taught are quantitative methods, operations management, supply chain management, and project management. Now the subject about quantitative methods, what the subject contains. This subject contains of statistics, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. So as you know, statistics has two parts, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. And the next is operations management. So a little bit about the contents. So these are the contents: measures of central tendency, hypothesis testing, t-test, ANOVA, chi-square, decision theory, time series, and linear programming. What is the importance of this subject? Now, quantitative methods is a very important subject, as you will learn many analytical tools and techniques which you will use in your live project. These tools also will be used in other domains like marketing, HR, and finance. So these are the specializations that you will be choosing, and it also helps in placements in various prestigious organizations. The pedagogy. The subject will be taught by synchronous and asynchronous pedagogy. So various online quiz, test, assignments will be given to the students, and finally the case study. So case study method which will be used is a very good pedagogy that will be used for this subject. So these are my contact details. You can note it down. Thank you.